In this video, we'll be editing a clustered column chart in Excel. These tips will help you edit and format any type of Excel chart. We want to show 2017 and 2021 revenue comparison by product chart. First, let's create the chart by selecting the data. To select 2017 and 2021 data, we can select cells B6, B17 and hold down the Control key on a PC or the Command key on the Mac to select F6, F17. This is how we select non-adjacent columns. Now, click on the Insert tab and choose the clustered column chart. You can move the chart by using the click and drag cursor. You can resize the chart by using the resizing cursor. Drag from the corners to keep the chart size in proportion. Notice when the chart is not selected, we lose Chart Design and the Format tab. The Chart Design tab can help enhance the chart using different colors, adding chart elements, changing chart types, changing the data on the chart, changing styles, switch rows and columns, and moving the chart to another tab or object in the workbook. Notice our data series includes 1 through 11. Our viewers will not understand what products this will represent. We can select the chart and go to Select Data and choose our horizontal axis categories by selecting A7, A17. Notice our chart now includes the different products. Click OK when finished. Selecting the chart, 3 icons will show up on the top right of the chart. Selecting the plus sign, we can add or remove chart elements including axes, axis titles, chart titles, data labels, grid lines, the legend, trend lines, and more. Play around with this feature to become more familiar. Selecting the paintbrush, we can change the style of the chart. Selecting the filter icon, charts can also be filtered to show only the data you want to show. Let's uncheck DR2907 to remove from the chart. Click Apply. Selecting the filter icon, charts can also be filtered to show only the data you want to show. Let's uncheck DR2907 to remove from the chart. Double-clicking the chart will open up the Format Chart area. Depending on what we select on our chart is what we can change on the chart. Selecting the plot area, we can change the color of the area. To do this task, expand the color and choose a color. You can also change other series on the chart by selecting that option on the chart and then changing the color. Selecting the X-axis and axis options is where we can change axis options, tick marks, labels, and numbers. Spend some time getting to know this feature as you will be using it in Excel. You have just learned how to edit and format a chart.